Welcome to this channel. Here at the Control Post Roundabout in Ikot Ekpene town, we find ourselves at the heart of a major infrastructure project. Originally planned as a flyover, the roundabout stands as a testament to the commendable road network in Akwa Ibom State. Today, our journey unfolds as we travel from Ikot Ekpene, Akwa Ibom State to the city of Calabar in Crossriver State. As we approach the Calabar Itu Roundabout in Ikot Ekpene, the road splits, offering travelers a choice: a straight path leading to Iyo and a left turn guiding the way to the vibrant city of Calabar. For our adventure, we take the left turn onto the Ikot Ekpene Calabar Road, currently undergoing a transformative phase of construction. Earlier in Ikot Ekpene town, our journey began amidst a light drizzling, an indication of the region's diverse weather. Now here in this section, it appears the rain has been more persistent, leaving the road damp and fresh. The single lane suggests that construction is yet to reach this part of the route. Approaching the point where construction commenced, the road transforms into a double lane, a promising site for the future of this vital route. The ongoing construction, primarily handled by Julius Berger, has already left a mark of quality and efficiency. However, the journey ahead will reveal the extent of progress made thus far. Here we are at the Calabar Itu Junction, a pivotal point in our expedition. On one side, a beautifully constructed and smooth lane is ready for use, a testament to the dedication of the construction teams. Meanwhile, the adjacent lane is a work in progress as Julius Berger continues its meticulous work to ensure both sides meet the desired standards. This road construction was awarded to 3 different companies. As we proceed, you will be seeing the different companies. This section from Ikot Ekpene part is handled by Julius Berger. Here, the 2-lane is almost completed. As we continue our drive, the road unfolds before us, showcasing the collaborative efforts of multiple construction companies. Stay with us on this journey where we'll be witnessing the various phases of development and get a closer look at the impressive transformation of the Ikot Ekpene to Calabar Road. You can see trucks, caterpillars and construction vans and machinery by the right still working on the other lane. Wow, the good part is over. In this lane, we are now driving in the graded part yet to be completed. Here they are still constructing new bridge because this road is always flooded with water. Look at this bridge, they just finished constructing it. There is massive work going on here. This is pretty nice because they are not relenting any efforts. Bridges and gutters construction still ongoing. Here they are working on the 2-lane. We approach the Calabar Itu Bridge, a critical structure crossing over into Crossriver State. After the bridge is another company that is constructing this other section. This river is big and the bridge is deteriorating and it needs an attention. I just hope they will fix it too. We are now in the Crossriver section of the road. The two-lane construction is still ongoing. One lane is ready, as you can see, and they are working on the other lane. The company handling this section is Sematec Construction Company. They just completed these bridges. This road part is bad now and rough. Massive construction efforts continue, highlighting the dedication to address the challenges posed by flooding. New bridges and culverts are being meticulously crafted, ensuring the longevity of this vital road. In this Crossriver section of the road, Sematec Construction Company takes the lead. Bridges are completed, but some road sections remain rough. Their commitment is evident, with machinery operating day and night to bring the entire stretch to completion. This part is smooth and ready to be used. You can see their light machine, meaning they are working night and day. Man, this is beautiful and smooth to drive. Few work is done on this part. Here is a constructed bridge. Passing iconic landmarks like the power plant station and the Nigerian oil and gas park scheme in Odukpani, the road journey unveils contrasting sections, some rough, others smooth and ready for use. Greater work is still ongoing on this part of the road. Wow, here is beautiful and smooth, almost completed. Here is Odukpani Junction. Popular landmark is this fine fuel filling station. As we approach Odukpani Junction, the road offers a choice. To the left, Crossriver North; to the right, Calabar. We branch right, heading to the beautiful city of Calabar. Crossing the spaghetti flyover constructed by the former governor of Crossriver State, Senator Ben Ayade, we descend into Calabar, a clean and beautiful city, thanks to the efforts of the new administration led by the governor, Prince Bassey Otu. We will drive down to where we have iconic landmark, a roundabout with an icon, Calabar. Stay on as we drive along the Calabar 8 miles road leading us to Calabar. This road is beautiful and smooth. Approaching the overhead bridge, take a look at your left. There is a bustling market by your left. This is 8 miles market, a vibrant market stocked with food, stuffs and other goods. This is iconic statue welcoming you to Crossriver State, Calabar. We keep proceeding. You see, Calabar is looking clean again. See the smooth road. Look at another iconic statue welcoming you to Calabar. This is another roundabout. We are getting closer to Calabar town. Now look at another beautiful icon statue in this roundabout. Finally, we arrive our destination, Calabar. This is Calabar roundabout. Keep exploring, stay tuned, and let's navigate the route of Calabar together in our next video. Click on the subscribe and the notification button below if you have not subscribed to this channel, so you can get a notification when we drop our next video. Let's explore Calabar together in our next video. Thank you for staying and exploring with us on this channel. Thank you.